Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Super quick intro, but in today's video I thought I would just sit down, do my makeup with you guys while I literally run you through all of the crazy life updates that have happened in the last 4 months that I haven't been filming. Literally the last video I just uploaded was 4 months ago, the week after I got home from Europe, and the fact that I haven't uploaded since is disgusting. I hate myself for it, so yeah, sorry about that. But we're going to be consistently uploading this year, but I needed to run you through some of the updates that have happened since. So that's what this video is. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you like it. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get into it. Hello everyone. Let's get into the makeup. I just want to get straight into updating you with my life because the last video I posted was literally 4 months ago. So where do I start? When I came back from overseas, I literally a week later went back to work at my old job, but I went full-time because they asked me if I was interested in going full-time, and honestly, like, I'd been away for 4 months. I needed the money and I had nothing else to do, so I was like, of course I will do that. Been working full-time now since October. It's now January, so for however long that is, it's honestly been an adjustment going from like not working at all for 4 months to working 8:30 to 6 p.m. every day is like a big adjustment. Like, this is my first full-time job. Like, I've never worked full-time before this, so it's just been a lot, but I've really enjoyed it, and I've made like best girls at work, and I'm so like grateful for it. But that's what I've been doing since I've been home, just like working full-time. Another big life change, and I'm gonna just talk about the elephant in the room, and that is that I've moved. So if you guys haven't been following my channel for a while, then you wouldn't know, at the start of last year, me and my family moved to the Gold Coast from Melbourne. We're originally from Melbourne, so we changed states, and the original house that we were in, we were just renting because we didn't want to buy a house straight away because we didn't know what suburb we wanted to buy in, and like we didn't really know Queensland that well. So we were like, we'll just rent first. And the house that we were in to start off with was just like the first available house we could get, because at the time, and it's still like pretty bad now, the rental market in Queensland is just really expensive, and also really hard to find like properties. But we actually bought a house at the end of last year in September, which is crazy. So this is the new house. This isn't my room or anything, this is literally my beauty room, but I'm so excited to show you guys everything. And actually the next video that's going up is gonna be an empty house tour, so stay tuned for that. This house is literally huge, and we're like struggling on how we're gonna fill it up, but I'm sure we'll figure something out. And it's such a nice house, and I literally love being here, and it's in such a good spot. It's still on the Gold Coast obviously, and it's amazing. Yeah, speaking about the move, how am I going, like moving states? Honestly guys, I am so happy that we moved. I've met the most amazing people. It's just been so good. I've been down to Melbourne a few times now, and I like miss all the people. And like obviously it's really sad like seeing my sisters and like my best friends and stuff, but I don't actually miss like the place that as much as I thought I would. It's more just the people, which people are not like stuck. Like, people can come visit, if that makes sense. People are mobile. So yeah, I'm in a really good place at the moment. Another really exciting thing that's super new is I'm actually gonna be going to uni this year. I know, I feel like you are probably like, what the heck, because in all of my like past Q&As I've been like, I do not want to go to uni. But since having my gap year and speaking to people, I feel like I'm ready to go back and like learn, go back to school. I always really enjoyed school, like I always really loved school. The actual learning process, it was like the social side and like the stress that made me not like high school and all that kind of stuff. I'm going to be studying a Bachelor of Psychology and Business because they're the two things that I was really interested in high school, and I'm still interested in them now. So why did I want to go back to uni? I knew I obviously needed to do something. Like, I couldn't just like chill at home all day every day, which I wish I could. And I was like, okay, well I can either continue working full-time or go back to uni. And honestly, the full-time life has been really hard. I know I just said it took me a while to get used to it, but it kind of made me think, like, would I rather work full-time at the moment while I get my like life together and like sort out what I want to do, or would I rather like invest my time into education? And I've actually decided to go the education route. Honestly, that is something I did not expect to come out of 2022 because I was so adamant that I wasn't going to go to uni. For some reason, I thought that if I went to uni, I was like giving up on my life, which I feel like you should probably think the opposite, like that if you don't go to uni, you're giving up on my life. Super random. And I had to like get over that little thing, but I'm actually really excited to go to uni now. Like, I'm nervous, but I'm excited. I'm nervous because like I don't even know what I'm doing. So yeah, stay tuned for like uni vlogs and all that kind of thing because I'm really excited for that. Another update that I have for you, sorry, I feel like this video is just me like regurgitating facts and life updates at you because I just haven't been filming. As you guys would have seen my skin in the start of this video, and also I've just talked about it in like literally all my previous videos, but I am currently on Roaccutane, so I think I'm 1 month deep. So far it's so good. Like, my face, don't get me wrong, is super duper dry all the time, but honestly, like, it hasn't been too bad. I don't think I'm on a super high dose, so that may be why the side effects aren't too bad. My skin is still like in the purging stage, I would say, so I'm really excited for it to be in the looking nice stage. Okay, I don't know if this counts as an update, but I thought I would run you through some exciting things that are happening in 2023 because it is currently Jan 3rd. So what's exciting? So in February, me and Kylie are going on a holiday. I'm so freaking excited. In Australia, obviously, because both of us are working. I'm literally so excited. Both of us have never been to the place we're going. I wanted to go for like 3 years now, and it just looks so pretty and gorge, and I'm so excited. Another exciting thing is my family and I are planning a trip to Cairns this year, so probably in the middle of the year. I'm really excited because I'm going to go like scuba diving and snorkeling because that's literally my favorite thing ever. So I'm not going to be doing like any overseas trips this year, I don't think, just because I obviously had the really big trip last year. And then I will, oh my god, look how white my hand is compared to my chest because I only fake tanned my chest. Embarrassing! Yeah, no overseas trips I don't think this year unless something completely changes and I change my mind. Because I want to save for the following year because I'm going to be doing a big overseas trip again, which I'm really excited about. Okay, my sister also gets married this year in August, which is literally insane. I've actually never been to a wedding before. Like, how is that possible? I wrote down yesterday all of my New Year's resolutions, and I mean, I don't want to share them all, but like one of them is I want to upload every single week on YouTube, and I know I can do it because at one point this year I was literally uploading 3 times a week. So 1 time a week, literally, I should be fine doing. I'm also really excited for today because, and the reason why I'm like getting ready is because Courtney is coming up for a week to visit me from Melbourne, and I'm so excited. She's been saying she's going to come up to Queensland literally since I moved for like a year, and she's finally here, and I'm so freaking excited. We're going to go to Movie World. Oh my god, I can't get over my hand. That's really bad. I'm so sorry that you've had to see that this whole time. So we're gonna go to Movie World today, and I'm so excited. How do you open this? I just inhaled it all. I literally just ate that. Oh, it smells like granny perfume. It smells like someone's grandma. I have been obsessed with Alex Earl's Get Ready With Me videos on TikTok that I literally went and bought all of the products that she uses. And I've actually been filming a lot of Get Ready With Me's on TikTok. So if you guys like this content, go follow me on TikTok. With the chokehold that girl has me in. I start uni in March, like the beginning of March. So until then, I'm just going to be working full time because I have so much stuff I need to save up for. I need to buy a new computer. I want to buy heaps of new furniture for my new room, which I'm so excited to share with you guys. I've been filming like a bedroom transformation video, the headphones. I just have so much to buy for. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna do my lips and then I'm done. If there is any particular videos you guys want me to film, let me know. I have the empty house tour coming soon, and then I have, I think it's my Roaccutane. I can't really talk and apply this at the same time. That just sounds really bad. Then I think I have my Roaccutane video after that where I just like run you through the journey and talk about my skin. If think that is my makeup. I wanted just to film me doing something so it wasn't super boring and just give you an update on my life, because I feel like so much has happened and I just haven't actually like physically told you guys on here. Like if you keep up to date on my TikTok, you probably already know, but I know a lot of you guys don't. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, the red button, you know how to do it. Yeah, bye guys.